Hello and welcome. In this episode, we are going to see another Renesas tool used in the development with array microcontrollers, the Renesas Flash Programmer. The Renesas Flash Programmer is a software tool from Renesas that can be used to upload program files to an array board. So, what does the programmer application offer on top of the E-Squared Studio? Well, the programmer provides a simple graphical interface that can be used to erase, upload, and verify programs, and only requires a binary or hex file to burn on the chip. It can be used with the standard JLink or E2 debuggers. On a practical level, the Flash programmer also allows a secured program file to be shipped to a factory to be uploaded on production level systems. This means if a stable version of the program needs to be uploaded to multiple units of a device, then the production line does not need to have access to an IDE or the complete project files. They can make use of a single file that can be shipped or attached electronically. Another application could be seen when development teams would like to share the latest version with the testing team. They can simply exchange the program file, and the testing unit does not need to concern with the IDE version or any other incompatibilities. The Renesas Flash Programmer and related documents are available to be downloaded from its website. The application is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac systems and can be downloaded for free. There are several documents available, including an easy-to-read flyer that explains the broader scope of this programmer software. The same programmer can be used for several chip architectures. We also have an user manual which details out the specs and operations of this software. As we can read here, the main features of this software are high-speed writing using emulators, writing using command line, writing selectively to specific memory areas, and support of encrypted files. We can then look at the compatibility with different hardware and environments, supported file types, and so on. The descriptions of the functions of the GUI can be seen from section 2. The program is handled by using projects which specify the configuration of the target chip. Other widgets have also been described elaborately. Okay, so let's dive into the real demo on using the Flash Programmer. We shall create a sample project in E-Squared Studio. The steps are the usual, only this time we shall select the Blinky template. So we will get a Blinky code and configuration for it by default. In order to generate the compatible file for Renesas Programmer, we need to enable it in the project settings. Navigating to the Build menu, under Settings and Create Flash Image option, we can specify an output type for the Flash image file. In our case, we would like to use the .hex format, which is a common file type for Flash images. Now, when we build the program, we can see that a hex file has been created. As we are going to use the Flash Programmer, we no longer need to use the debug function in E-Squared Studio. We shall then open the Renesas Flash Programmer application and make a new project. The project primarily refers to the settings related to programming the target device. So, we can see that the microcontroller as well as the debug tool and the interface needed to be mentioned during creating the project. In the Operations Settings tab, we will find the different operations that can be performed. The main functions are erase, program, and verify. We need to make a configuration change for our connection. Since we are using the onboard Sega JLink debugger, we need to manually select it. Now, we shall select the location of the hex file. By clicking the Browse button, we can get the path for the hex file. After we have selected the hex file, we can run the verify operation on an empty board. We get a message that the data does not match. Now, we are going to use the option to erase program and then verify the code. We can see that it takes a little while to upload the new program and the operation is completed successfully. As soon as the program is loaded, it is reflected on the LED activities on the board. We can see them blinking. Next, we can erase the program in an instant as well. We simply select the erase button only and it shall erase the program. As soon as the program is erased, the LED will stop. And that was a brief introduction to the basic operations of the Flash Programmer. See you in the next episode.